Hi there, welcome back. It's Saturday and today we're gonna finally work on the Ferrari again. Before we do so, we have a car on our driveway. It's not our car. It's a car that is very dirty from a good neighbor, Jeroen. How do you pronounce that name in English? I don't know. But, well, I promised that I would try to get some glance back on that car. So before I start in Ferrari, I'm gonna clean that car and I'm gonna try my polishing skills. Maybe if it works, we're gonna make a video about it. And otherwise, I just have a busy day doing things for other people because we like it. And then we're gonna work on the Ferrari. For your knowledge, talk to the painter. We're gonna solve the bumper, although I still think it's frustrated, but it cannot be the reason to stop. Other thing is that we're gonna slow it down a little bit because of the budget. The other car, the Daily Daddy driver, it's going to cost a little bit more than I anticipated. And also everything that's happening in the world, prices are sky high. Well, we have to be careful. I don't like to spend more than I have. So, but we're gonna continue working on Ferrari today. Finally.
2 hours later.
Well guys, I got a little bit distracted. I just want to... Can you see the bling bling versus the not so bling bling? This is before and this is after. Very cool result. I'm pretty happy. I should have used some clay, but my thingy is I haven't got any more left, so I have to go to the store. But for my first time taking a big car, or bigger, a small car, but a bigger project like this, pretty happy. But I still haven't begun on the Ferrari, so back to the Ferrari.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, more changes of plans. Just heard about the Ferrari club is having a meeting nearby. I forgot about that one, but we're gonna have a look. Well, here we are. I dropped my wife and kids in the woods, parked the car way over there, and we're now at the precious Laumann's Museum. Aha. This is the place where you have the finest car collection in the world. Too bad you can't film inside, and I'm gonna tell you a secret. I've never been inside, always on the front porch because of the cars. I know there are already some Ferraris parked over there, but I'm gonna wait here for my friends and just have a look if there are any cars coming here, or they found a different route or something. And maybe there will not be any cars, but it's a beautiful day, the sun is shining, so I can't imagine people not coming with their cars. I would, if I finished my project on time. coming our way. And we have to wait 1 second because there's something very strange coming our way. Strange. A color I have never seen in real life on Aroma. It looks stunning. Followed by a Portofino. Oh my, that color. What do you think of that color? Man, cool. I'm gonna wait just for 5 minutes over here before we're gonna walk to the main parking and have a look if we can come in. I didn't register before, but we'll see. Well, so sorry guys. This day turned out to be completely different than I anticipated, but it was good fun. Had a lot of vitamin F coming our way. That's very important. I promise next time we'll work on the Ferrari. I promise, I really promise. Also, I know you've seen something that you shouldn't have seen, but just because of that day, it happens. Nevertheless, I want to thank you for watching, and I hope you liked it. See you again next time, and a goodbye. Oh, please, and don't forget, like, subscribe, spread the word.